Hi, it's Claudia, the traveling mom. I'm coming at you live from Rathtrevor Beach Provincial Park in beautiful British Columbia. I'm here with my Live the Adventure box. This is the summer edition of Live the Adventure from Explore magazine, and this summer edition has all kinds of fantastic outdoor adventure products. Hi, sweetheart. This is my puppy Zuzu. That you can take on your outdoor summer adventures this summer. And let's take a look at what's inside. And I've already gone through a few things to show and to see what's in the box, including this fantastic summer blanket that comes in its own little carrying bag. You can see, you can sleep on this, use it as a pillow, use it when you're camping in case you get a little bit cold, or in this case, put it on the beach and lie down in the sunshine and get a little bit of vitamin D. So we got this fabulous thing, and this also I'm super excited about because we're camping this week, and so this is like an awesome little portable grill that you can just set up on your fire if there isn't a fire ban, which there is not right now, and set this up over the coals, and you can grill your hot dogs or your sausages or your hamburgers, whatever you like in this, and it comes in a great little portable bag, which is totally awesome. And then we have other little fantastic items, including this one, which is one of my favorite things for this season, which is Pocket Cocktail, made and designed in beautiful British Columbia. Just add water and your beverage of choice, whether it's tequila, mix it up, and you've got a cocktail. So one of the other items that's in the Live the Adventure box is this great RX bar, which has just the ingredients that are listed here. So egg whites, almonds, cashews, dates, no BS, nothing bad, all natural, limited processing, and this one is blueberry flavor, one of my favorite flavors, so I look forward to enjoying this on one of our walks later. And this season, since we're by the ocean here, Georgia Strait, there's always a nice breeze, and so we don't have too many mosquitoes in this region, this area on the eastern side of Vancouver Island. But this is one of the best things I've seen in a long time, this mosquito killer lantern that you can just charge up and use and have at your campsite or by your tent or when you're eating outside, and you just charge it up ahead of time and you have an amazing little device, ta-da, that attracts mosquitoes and zaps them, which, you know, no offense mosquitoes, but it's better off that you're not bothering me. So I'm really pleased to have that as part of our box. We've also got a hydration bladder, which if you've gone on any length of hike before, you put this in your backpack and you're able to fill it with water. This one I think has a 2-liter limit for water, and you tuck it in your backpack when you go on a hike or even a walk, on a long walk in an urban area, and you can attach it to your backpack on the side, the little sippy device, and then you can just sip water whenever you need it. Actually, before you get thirsty is always a good idea. Another great item is this one kind of forever match, which is basically one match to rule them all. You use, you fill it with like a little bit of lighter fluid, and then you strike the little striker, and you've got instant match wherever you are. You don't have to carry matches with you, worry about them getting wet. You just keep that with you. You can even put it on your pants, on your belt loop and whatnot, or your backpack's super handy. And then, you know, when you get hiking and you're going up a mountain or a hill and you get kind of thirsty and you need some electrolytes and some muscle relief, this little thing you just add to your water bottle and you get some instant energy from it as well. It's from Purica, which is kind of like a magnesium drink, which again adds some electrolytes and some tasty things. And of course, can't forget the latest edition of Explore magazine. This is the summer edition, Live the Adventure, and it has all kinds of great information about hiking in the outdoors, hiking in Ontario, being outside, outdoors with kids, and a gear guide, all the best new products to enjoy in the outdoors. So I'm going to be taking this while I'm reading at the beach and relaxing this week while we're camping here at beautiful Rathtrevor Beach in gorgeous British Columbia. Bye for now.